Sure. Here's a recipe for Gaeng Liang, a flavorful Thai vegetable soup. Ingredients: 1 cup pumpkin or butternut squash, peeled and diced. 1 cup zucchini or chayote, diced. 1 cup green beans, cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 cup baby corn, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup mushrooms, sliced. 2 to 3 cups spinach or other leafy greens. 4 to 5 cups chicken or vegetable broth. 2 to 3 cloves garlic, minced. 3 to 4 shallots, sliced. 2 to 3 bird's eye chilies, chopped, adjust to taste. 1 lemongrass stalk, cut into 2-inch pieces and bruised. 4 to 5 kaffir lime leaves, torn into pieces. 2 tablespoons fish sauce, or soy sauce for vegetarian/vegan. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Fresh cilantro, chopped, for garnish. Instructions. Prepare the ingredients. Dice the pumpkin, zucchini, and other vegetables. Slice the mushrooms and shallots. Mince the garlic and chop the chilies. Bruise the lemongrass by gently smashing it with the back of a knife. Sauté the aromatics. Heat the vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the minced garlic, shallots, and chilies, sautéing until fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. Add the broth and herbs. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth. Add the lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves. Bring to a simmer. Cook the vegetables. Add the pumpkin, zucchini, green beans, and baby corn to the pot. Simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Season the soup. Add the fish sauce, or soy sauce, and sugar. Adjust the seasoning to taste. Add the greens. Stir in the mushrooms and spinach, or other leafy greens. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, until the mushrooms are tender and the greens are wilted. Serve. Remove the lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish with chopped fresh cilantro. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious Gaeng Liang. Gaeng Liang, vegetable soup, is a traditional Thai soup known for its light, aromatic, and nutritious qualities. It is a popular dish in Thai cuisine, particularly enjoyed for its healthy and wholesome ingredients. This soup showcases a variety of vegetables, often featuring seasonal produce, which makes it both versatile and adaptable. Key characteristics of Gaeng Liang. Variety of vegetables. The soup typically includes a mix of vegetables such as pumpkin or squash, zucchini, green beans, baby corn, and mushrooms. Leafy greens like spinach are also commonly added. Herbs and spices. Aromatics like garlic, shallots, and bird's eye chilies provide the base flavors. Lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves are key ingredients, imparting a distinctive citrusy aroma. Broth. The soup is usually made with a clear broth, either chicken or vegetable, which allows the flavors of the vegetables and herbs to shine through. Seasonings. Fish sauce is traditionally used to season the soup, adding a savory depth. Sugar is often added to balance the flavors, though it can be adjusted to taste. Health benefits. Gaeng Liang is celebrated for its health benefits. The variety of vegetables provides essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The soup is low in calories and fat, making it a great option for those seeking a light and nutritious meal. The inclusion of herbs and spices also contributes to its therapeutic properties, such as aiding digestion and boosting the immune system. Cultural significance. In Thai culture, Gaeng Liang is often enjoyed as part of a larger meal, served alongside other dishes and rice. Its light and refreshing nature makes it suitable for hot climates, and it is a popular choice for those seeking a comforting and nourishing dish. Overall, Gaeng Liang, vegetable soup, exemplifies the balance and harmony of Thai cuisine, combining fresh ingredients with aromatic herbs and spices to create a delicious and healthful dish.